Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I thought I would do my Boxycharm for January. I haven't done a Boxycharm in a while. First I want to start with hair products. I usually don't get hair products, so for me this is so exciting. This is from BodyWorks. I did my hair today with this. Which one did I do? There's a moisturizing co-wash which I did use in the shower today. I really liked it. Again, I don't shampoo. I shampoo like every couple weeks, I'm not lying, unless I have a lot of product in one day and I just like feel it in there, and or my hair just feel, you know when your hair needs to be washed, I think, right? Just by the feel of it. That's kind of when I shampoo it. But sometimes I might not rinse my hair enough under the water to get that product out before I put the conditioner in. So this helped. This is a co-wash, and I've used co-washes. I just did recently, I talked about Zoto's All About Curls, and I really like co-washes because you're not drying your hair out. It's like you're using a rinse out conditioner, but it's cleansing it. At least you're trusting that it's cleansing it, but you do feel when you're done that your hair feels cleansed and you didn't shampoo it. So that's how this made me feel, at least. So I really like it, and I might not use it every day, but you know, at least every few days to feel like at least my hair is getting clean, like, because sometimes rinsing might not be enough. And then I didn't want to do a whole review, although I could have, but I'm just going to put in this video. This is a moisturizing leave-in cream. These are both Lavender Aloe. I think my hair came out really good. My hair does kind of feel dry. When I was diffusing my hair, I don't look in the mirror because I'm just so used to doing what I have to do, so I just sit there, and as I'm sitting there in my head I'm thinking, oh, my hair feels really dry. But then when I was done, I sprayed my hair, I crunched it out, and it's not as dry. And I think it looks really good. Look at my curls. Maybe I should have done a review. I might do a video review just on this, but I feel like I just did. I didn't want to do the whole hair routine because we have other products from Boxycharm. Yeah, I really like those products. That one's going back in my shower. Okay, what else do we get? You know, I don't have the card, and I think I accidentally threw it away. I think my daughter, I gave her just a blush. I think it was a blush from Tarte. I looked it up, and I'm like, yeah, I think that's what she got. So, because I have all my NARS blush, and I love them, and I'm like, I just want my NARS blush at the moment. So she took that one. Again, I forgot the card or lost it, so I'm going to use my phone. The box. January. Oh, right. No, it's not blush. Oh, no, she did take the blushed. I also gave her from Elemis, which I love Elemis products, a lavender toner. Yes, and I just... my phone was so slow, I just hit the back button. So let's do that again. And I don't think everybody gets the same box. It's mixed and matched because I'm looking at it, and the Angel Eyes primer I had gotten in the last box, and I love this so much. And this will last me probably like 10 years. That's how little you need. I don't know. So what's weird is I'm trying to look at the products to describe them online, and everything is totally different. Okay, so I'm just gonna, that's weird. I'm gonna have to look into that later. I'll put links below, but that's weird. I can't, the January box online on my phone is totally different than what I have in my hands. This is from Aloe. I love products from them. I could go through my stuff and find it, but I know I have something else from them, and this is a really pretty contour trio. Hydrating Complexion Trio. I don't know if this, I didn't put a concealer on. I think I have to put a concealer on first. I thought this was going to be more of a concealer, but I don't think it is. So. Alright, I hope I'm using the right brush, but I'm going to go in with this brush into the light shade. Set to do under the eyes. I'm going to go into the dark one first. I'm going to squeeze it and then do like more of a contour, which I don't really do, but for the sake of the product I will. Okay, that came out more pigmented than I thought. I should have blue on it a little more, but that's okay because I'll just keep brushing it away. Okay, well that was my fault. I put too much on, but now I know better not to put as much on. That took me a while to blend, but it looks really nice actually, right? I love the way it looks. It took me a long time, but that was totally my fault. And now I know to take very little. It's pigmented, which is nice. So you don't need as much. Moving on. Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the eyebrow pomade, which I'm pretty excited about because I do love these, and I don't think I've ever finished one in full because they last forever, and I'm always like, I need to throw this out now because it's just old. These things last forever. And I've never had like a higher end one. I always just get like Maybelline, L'Oreal. Yeah, I have the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. So let's see. I just don't see that this could look so much better for that much more money. I don't even know. I'm gonna put the prices down. I'm sorry, I don't have the prices because I threw my card away. I forgot where I got this brush. It must have been like maybe Ulta. It has the spoolie and then the brush in the end with the curve. I feel like I can't talk today, guys. I'm sorry, and I apologize. Typical, this actually is a lot. If I am going to compare, you do get a lot more in the Anastasia than you get in the Maybelline, so cost-wise, maybe it's worth it to spend a little more money. I'm going to move in. I always hate messing up when it's like perfect. I like it. I love it. I haven't had it in years, but I was obsessed with the Anastasia brow pencil. It was similar, the retractable. It was between this and the Benefit, the both of them. I loved them. Then I got cheap. I just buy the cheap ones because I'm not going to work every day, so why use expensive makeup when I'm home? Okay, that came out so nice. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It takes a little longer to use a pomade, I think, but if you have the time, it's worth it. Stick is just like the fastest way. So we have this quad palette from Illuminati. Beautiful shades. We got shimmers in there mostly, and then the one neutral. I forgot to put my eye primer on. I'm gonna say my first impression is like, oh gee, another neutral palette, but it does matter, like the way it looks. Some do just look better than others, and this is one of them. Shimmery shim. I'm not doing gold to make sure it's shimmer, not glitter. I don't like glitter. Just put it in there. Ooh, this is a really nice. And I like that it's a quad because it's not this huge palette that I have no room for on my dresser here, which is getting pretty ridiculous. I really like this. You can travel with it and have every combination you want. We can have simple, or we can kick it up just a little. That's nice. Okay, let me finish the eyes and I'll be right back. We have one more item. This stuff gives you such a nice glowy finish. What is that? Revolution mattifying essence spray. And I'll do a little dash of the L'Oreal setting spray. Which I always try to do before I do mascara, but I forgot. And I used Charlotte Tilbury makeup. I used the eyeliner, the mascara, and the lip liner. Lipstick, I think, is from Boxycharm. This is, I'm not even going to say what month. This is just Boxycharm. IBY Beauty. This has become my new favorite color. I usually do more neutral, but I'm loving the change of the color in my lipstick. Bit more bolder. I think we're going a bit more bolder lately. And yeah. Okay, so what's the this, I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna ask you about this. This is from Endota Spa. Breathe Essence Oil, a refreshing blend of eucalyptus, which I love, lemon, love, and lavender, love, to help relieve symptoms of colds and flu. What do I do with this? Enjoy 100% pure essential oils by adding to bath oil burner diffuser or massage oil. Oh, okay, well that was my question to you guys. Like, what's the difference between body oil, diffuser oil? Sometimes I don't know which is which. I'm like, is this for my diffuser? Is this supposed to be for my body? My skin? I don't know. But this clearly does say, let me just read it again. Adding to bath oil burner diffuser or massage oil. So I guess you can use it for anything. Is that what? I thought oils were all different. I don't know. Okay, well let's see how it smells. I'm using it right now because the other smells, I mean the other oils I have, I don't use my diffuser because I don't love them. And I have a hard, I don't know if it's like, because am I picky with my scents? But I think I am. And if I don't like it, I'm not going to want to smell it all day. But this, I guess because it's the all three favorite scents. I wouldn't say they were my favorite, but now I'm thinking maybe they are my favorite. Woo, okay, let's go put this in diffuser. That is my Boxycharm video. Wow. Guys, I will calculate everything and show you how much you can save if you love makeup and you want to try all different makeup for $25 a month. $25 a month, you get like hundreds of dollars worth of products. And if it's something that I already have or I really don't need, give it to a friend, give it to I give it to my daughters or friends, whatever. Because sometimes I just don't need another certain eyeshadow palette, but I love them because they are all different. And I love this one. This is going to be my new one I'm going to be using all the time. Illuminati. I just have to get used to the contour palette and put a little less on, but for the camera it's good. It's a bit much in person. Oh, I didn't put any blush on. As if I need any more makeup on my face. Okay, just a little. I'm going to enjoy my Rice Krispie treat. So, listen. You can go if you want. I'm just going to say a little rant, but I've gained my weight back. I don't eat this all the time, but I eat it sometimes because I like this stuff. And I'm not going to give it up. But I do notice that I don't like it as much as I used to. And sometimes like a bite of this is enough to just... I want to do videos on kind of like my lifestyle. Would you be into that? Would you want to know more like about how trying to maybe together we can eat healthier? I don't eat unhealthy. I'm not going to say, I think I eat pretty healthy. We cook real food for the most part. I've always done that. But it's all in moderation. Everything's in moderation. That's what I say. I have everything I want. I don't deprive myself. I don't. And I do eat healthier than I used to, but I like my sweets. And there were other few topics I was thinking of relating to like my age, things, things that we go through. And if you want to talk about that, let me know, because I talk a lot. So I've been thinking, how would I do this? And I don't know if I could do a live, because I'll probably just like have 2 people on there, so it's so embarrassing. So I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know. So let me know below. Let me know below. Let's like have a little fun here and get not too intimate, but you know what I'm saying. Not only talk about beauty related topics, but example like empty nesters. I'm an empty nester. I'm over 50. Dealing with perimenopause, anxiety. That's a big one. Okay, guys? I will see you in the next video. Mukbangs? You could do mukbangs. I love to eat.